Hey, first of all, I just want to say Merry Christmas to everybody, and I hope you got everything you asked for from Santa. I hope you were good. All right. Oh, and have a Happy New Year. So I'm still having problems with the brake. It's got free play now, but it's still not as good as the one over here, and still got that squeak to it. So last time I took these out, took the pads off, cleaned up them little bolts that are inside there that slide, that the pads slide on, but that didn't work. So then I was thinking, maybe it's this slider here. So that's why I'm taking it back apart today to maybe put some lube on this. And maybe it'll help slide. I don't know. I don't know everything. It's a little bit different than a car. Let me ask you guys this question. If you took this machine into your dealer and you told them you wanted new brake rotors and pads, and they said your pads and rotors are good, they don't need to be replaced, do these look like they need to be replaced? There's a nice line right there. I mean, I had no qualms when they quoted me the price on it. I said, sure, go ahead, do it, because I don't know what I'm doing. I know how to work on cars. I've never worked on quads.
Here, I'll do it and you do both at the same time.
Well, I just made sure that, like, I started that one and it stopped earlier than that one, which is fine. So. There. Well, at least it's loose. Well, I think I got it, hopefully.